So, Jose, thank you, man. I appreciate you for reaching out. And I made this video personally for you because I have a program out called the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. And inside of that, the fourth step is actually the market monster. And there we dive deep into sales and marketing. But the program is still in its inception phase and I'm still building it all out. So I wanted to personally do this for you. And I built an AI bot that can help you solve your sales problem. But before we get into the AI, I want to explain to you the difference between sales and marketing. I'm not sure if you know or not, but when it comes to sales, that is actually how you're going to be delivering your product, how you explain it to the customer, how you're solving their product and how your product is actually positioned to solve their product. So to make selling easy, you have to dial in on your marketing. And when it comes to marketing throughout your content, you answering those questions, you showing them how to do the thing, whatever the thing is, and you're giving them so much information that when it comes to the selling part of it, it doesn't matter what your price is at that point. And how you cut through the noise is creating a unique offer. So I sell fire alarm systems, and then there's a bunch of fire alarm companies out there. But what could make you different from the other fire alarm companies if we all doing fire alarm installations? So how you do that is you stack your offer. You give it a name. You give it a name, something like what we call our fire alarm installation is the perfect fire alarm install. And it's a 6-step process that we explain to the customer that they go through. It's a framework we build. We're presenting the same thing, but it looks absolutely different on how we package it. And then we stack it with the service offers, the maintenance fees, the monitoring, the warranties. We just giving them all of that information on top of the stacked offer. So it looked like we're giving them an irresistible deal. So let's jump straight into the offer architect so I could walk you through how you could answer the questions and then come up with the unique offer for your business. So as we get into the offer architect, what you want to do is audit your current offer assumptions. And then you want to say, I want to start a business in lawn services, if whatever your business is, in Dallas, Texas. I'm not sure where you at exactly, but I'm going to just use Dallas, Texas, and we go through the prompts. Here are the assumptions I implied to your request. It's going to ask you these questions, and what you're going to have to do is give this more information so you could dial in exactly or what you want to do, who you want to talk to, and what is your target audience in order for this to come up with a plan for you to develop your marketing plan to make your sales easy. So what you will have to do is go through the assumptions. So now it says, before we begin to design your offer, I need you to answer these questions. Do you want residential, commercial, or both? So we're going to just answer the first question and say, we're going to target residential clients in the beginning. We are aiming to be premium because we don't want to be competitive. We want to be premium. We want our prices to be premium. That way it stands out from everyone else. Because if our prices are premium, that means we're delivering premium service. So now we answer the questions, we press enter. So now it's telling us we're getting a little deeper, right? We got our target marketing, we got our positioning, and we got our business model. So now the reality check on the decision is going to give us more information about our particular idea. The more information you get it, the smarter it gets to help you out with your offer. So it's asking what neighborhood do we want to focus on. I'm going to just pick a random area in the Dallas area with bundled services, so that way we could stack our offer. We could have per visit and subscription prices, and our unique hook could be luxury. I'm just picking things randomly. But when you dial into this, you want to dial into this with your ideas so that way you can give it the best possible information so it can give you your plan that you could actually execute. And if you need help with executing this exact plan, then we could reach out to me and we could actually set up a coaching session. So now we have to dial in on our client's persona. So let's dial in on the demographics. These are homeowners, married homeowners, age 35 to 45, income range around 100K to 500K. The biggest frustration is they can't find a reliable lawn service provider. Now, the third question is, what would make them happy to pay you more for your services? And you could say fast and reliable, owner supervised, and over 30 years experience. And they value convenience. So those are the 4 answers. So now it gives you a hook. The most reliable owner supervised luxury lawn service in Dallas, backed by 30 years of expertise. So that could be a hook or your tagline that you can use for your business if you was doing lawn services. So we answer the first one, to add each services as a bundle or upsell, multi-tier pricing. So that way you have, basic, premium, and elite services. And then we lead with a guarantee. You always want to guarantee your work and services. So now it gives you all your tiers, your additional services, your multi-tier packaging price structure, your guaranteed headline. Once it dials into what your marketing is going to be, it'll help you with your landing page copy, your website copy, your email copy, your social media copy. It'll It'll help you with everything that you have to create when it comes to marketing. It can help you build out a funnel with the email automations, everything you can put inside it, and it'll give you the high level view of it, and it'll also give you the step-by-step on how to actually execute this. So now we're coming up with our $1 million message, and that would be your message that will speak directly to the avatars. This would be more or less your elevator pitch. So we go luxury, experience, sloppy work, and unreliable providers, pride of appearance, right? People like for their stuff to look nice, right? Now, it doesn't matter what field you're in, fire alarm, lawns, painting, construction, it doesn't matter. You give this offer architect the information for your business, your location, and if you have the information of your target audience, whatever detailed information you have, you give it to the offer architect and it will help you design your entire marketing plan. So it gives you a couple $1 million messages, right? One, reliable plus luxury. The next one is appearance plus pride. And the other one is peace of mind for the busy professionals. So it says Dallas only luxury lawn service that guarantees flawless on-time care every week because your home deserves better than sloppy, unreliable crews. We deliver a luxury lawn experience in Dallas that makes your home the envy of neighborhoods, on time, every time, with 30 years of proven experience. For busy Dallas homeowners who demand more than a mow and a go, we provide owner-supervised luxury lawn care, reliable, consistent, and guaranteed flawless. So now it's giving you all this information on how to actually create. So now it's telling you your immediate next actions are to create the websites, the ads, your sales scripts, your customer promise. So this is how you would use the offer architect. The more detailed information you can give it, the better it will help you when it comes to creating your whole entire marketing plan. So if you have any questions, you could reach out to me. You could join the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint, or you could join our coaching program. The coaching program is $15,000. So you let me know if you want to join this coaching program, and we can definitely help you out so you can make that back in no time. So if you ever want to take this step further, just let me know. I'll put a booking link in the email. So if you want to schedule a call so we can take this actually a step further, we can do that as well. All right. So I really appreciate your question, and I hope this actually helped you. And if you have any questions on this, just let me know, and I got you.